On this lesson, I'm gonna show you how you can build a basic calculator. So here you're gonna use inputs from the user. So let me say the first number is N1, and let me have the inputs. Let me say enter the first number. And as you already know, this input function always brings a string, so I have to change this string to number by using the int function. So I'm gonna use int. So here's the first number that the user can give to us. So I'm gonna use this one to take the second number. So let me use this one, and let's say this one is N2. That means number 2. And here I'm gonna change this one to second number. So finally, we have the print function. We may use this print function for 4 options on this case. The first one is for addition, the second one is subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let me say print, and if I want to find the sum of 2 numbers, let me say N1 plus N2. So here the result will be printed. So let's run this and we will see what will happen. It is asking me to enter the first number, let me say it's 10. And it's again asking me to enter the second number. And let me say is 10 again. Same. Since our order is to build or to find the result of these 2 numbers, so the result will be 20. Let's run this. Let me say enter right here. So 20 is printed. So this is how you can build a calculator to find the sum of 2 numbers. Let me change this one to multiplication. So when I run this, we're gonna find the product of these 2 numbers. Let me run this. It is asking me to enter the first number. That's 4. And let me say this one is 6. Then 24 will be printed. Here we go. Here's the result. So let me change this one to like division. And let me run this. So the first number, let me say, is 100. And the second number is 10. So 100 divided by 10, it's gonna be 10. So here we go. Here is the result. Now let me change this one to like subtraction. And let me run this. Let me say the first number is 50. And the second number is like 60. So negative 10 is printed. So this is how you can simply build a basic calculator by using this input function. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Write your comments. If you have any kind of comments on my lessons, please don't hesitate to write your comment in the comment section and share the video.